Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can do Microsoft certifications or the learning for free. Of course, the certification will cost you, but all the learnings are free and I'll show you how. From here, you can search for Microsoft Learn, then you click on the link available and you go to Discover, go to Credentials. Scroll down, you see Microsoft certification here. Browse certification. Okay. Now you land on this page. This page hosts all the certifications. There are total 84 results here based on the roles, product, and levels, subject, credential type is certification. Yes, I selected this. Say you want to choose for data analyst. These are the range of certification. Okay, these are the range of certification that you can see. Microsoft certified fabric analytics data engineer associate, Azure enterprise data analyst associate, Power BI data analyst associate. Okay. Further, you have to go inside to explore. Let's say if you are interested in Power BI certification, you can go to Power BI data analyst associate, which is level is intermediate, renewal frequency is 12 months. So you find all the details here for this specific certification, and all the information about Power BI certification is available here. Here is the path, the training path that you can follow, and after you complete the training path you can take this practice assessment. And when I completed my certification, this particular practice assessment was really helpful. I must say everyone must take this practice assessment multiple times until you achieve more than 80 to 90%. uh, More of the questions are, uh, what can I say, they are influenced or they are similar to this practice assessment. Okay. I would again go back to the credential page. If you want to select for data engineer, uncheck analyst, select for data engineer. Okay. So there are three certifications, which Azure Data Engineer, Azure Data Fundamentals, and Fabric Analytics Engineer. So you guys can opt for either one or all the certifications, but I would say you can audit this particular course, Azure Data Fundamentals, but talking about Azure Data Engineer Associate and Fabric Analytics Engineer. These are the two important certification that you can uh, opt for. This is the most basic certification. There is no expiration date for this. If I open it, you can see this again. So there is no renewal date for this. So it's once you do it, this is for the lifetime. This is any fundamental course as such is for lifetime. Okay. Next would be, let's say you want to go buy a product. Okay. You want to go buy a product, Microsoft Fabric. Of course, is this is the only certification available for Fabric right now. And for Azure, if you want to explore, okay, there are a host of certifications. There are around 22 certifications. You can choose uh, based on your particular role or the demand that your company has. Of course, these are this completely to your choice, I would say. And yeah, so you can select subject to data management, which is Azure Customers DB Developer Specialty. This is a specialty certification. uh, and why I would suggest Azure certification or Microsoft certification is these are very cost effective, and most of the company use this. If you go for any other competitor certification, these are like this will cost you more than 10K, whereas you can go for Microsoft certification in India below 10K. So that's like you can keep on adding your skills, like you can showcase in your resume with these kind of certifications. But honestly, guys, I why I uh, prepared this video to spread awareness. Do not opt any kind of paid courses, because if you're learning a tool, please understand there is a free course available for each of these tools, or particular company also has a page, learning page. As they want to promote their product, they also give the learning for free. So knowledge is always free, as we have been hearing this since our childhood. But by why I brought this topic here is I was discussing with one of my friend, and we went back to those days when we started learning Salesforce, and we were like uh, we were asked to pay around 18K, which later we got to know we were just watching the recorded videos with all the syllabus were referring to Salesforce, which is already available in Trailblazer. So if people know about Salesforce, they know must be knowing about Trailblazer. But for beginners, Trailblazer is something really new. So first, go to any company's website. I would suggest, like, if you want to learn Salesforce, you go to their website. You want to learn with AWS, go to their website. And of course, a lot of learning are available through YouTube. You can refer multiple documents through Google. You can use Chat GPT, ask question, you will get your answers. But paying X money, which is not even adding any adding up, or not value for money. Even for certificate, you can do the same thing for certification. You can actually go for certification than going for any uh, paid courses. My sole purpose here is to tell you, do not opt for any paid courses at all. That's all, guys. Like, I would close my video here. If you want me to create more videos or just for motivation purpose, please uh, like give comments. Of course, I would love to hear the comments, and I will prepare more of these kind of awareness videos